Gesundheit.
Thank you, Siri-san.
Sure thing, Jacqueline.
What does Gesundheit mean?
Allow me to explain. Gesundheit is a German word that means health. People say it after a sneeze to wish you good health. Because long ago, some people believed sneezing might mean you were getting sick, or even that your soul was trying to escape. Today, Gesundheit is a friendly alternative to saying bless you. And it's all about being kind and wishing someone well.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Siri-san.